Hello, welcome to Cultura y Sazon. Today we're going to be making a banana milkshake, particularly my way and then my mom's way. Alright, first thing we're going to do is get this banana and just make sure the whole banana, make sure it's not sliced, just the whole banana. In there. Then we're going to get one of these types of cups and then milk. We're going to fill it up to a quarter of the way. Like that. Alright, so when you get your milk like this, you're going to grab the milk and just put it in the blender. Now we're going to get one of these types of vanilla, preferably this. Then we're going to get it, squeeze it open, get a dose of it, not too much, not too little, just like the amount of a cap. A tin spoon, I guess. Just pour that in there, and boom, we finished with the vanilla. And now what we're gonna do is get the banana. Now what we're gonna do is get the sugar and then pour 1 spoonful into the blender. Just a little bit more. And we're finished with the sugar. Now we're going to get the cap. And now what we're gonna do is get the ice cubes. Make sure they're all cracked. Okay, they're all loose. Just bring some out over here. Make sure you get 4 ice cubes. And that's 4 ice cubes. Alright, now, if I'm not forgetting anything, which I'm not, now what we're gonna do is get the cap, put it on there, make sure it's secured safely. We're gonna get some napkins on the back over. Don't end it. Alright, now what we're gonna do is just choose the milkshake option. If you have it on your blender, we're gonna choose the milkshake option. And then afterwards, we're going to use the hard option, aka the more faster, the more stronger, to dice out all the cubes. Let's do the milkshake option. Alright, since now the milkshake option is finished, our banana milkshake will just be finished right now. So now what we're going to do, grab the cup that had the milk in it, or just grab a new cup, and then open the lid and just pour yourself a nice handy dandy milkshake. And that's how you make a banana milkshake. And now, my mom's way. That's how I make a banana milkshake. And now, my mom's way.
Es Claudia y les vamos a enseñar a hacer la milkshake o un batido de banana, como lo hacía la abuelita allá en México. Y este batido lleva leche, un huevo, vainilla, nieve, ice cream de vainilla, de chocolate, el sabor que tú quieras, el que tú tengas a la mano, ¿ok? Y este licuado lleva un huevo porque a veces los niños no comen nada, entonces por eso que la abuela nos ponía un huevo. Vamos a llenar la mitad de un vaso de leche a la licuadora. Vamos a poner un huevo entero. vamos a poner media cucharada de vainilla o lo que es la tapadera de la vainilla. Ok. Vamos a poner el ice cream, pero no vamos a poner azúcar, no azúcar, porque el ice cream ya está dulce. So, ponemos la ice cream. Puedes poner ice cream de vainilla, de chocolate, la que tú quieras, ¿ok? Y no vamos a poner hielo porque la nieve, el ice cream, es hielo. Y la banana. Y lo molemos. Y listo. Ups, se salió. Y aquí está nuestro licuado de banana. Saludos a todos y gracias por ver el video.